Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a part that blasts sounds at your players when the part is touched. First make a part named Killmeme part. Then make a local script named Killmeme client in Starter character scripts. If you don't know where that is, that's in Starter Player. Oh, and the script is in the description. Now when you're done, click play and enjoy it. Oh, and it kills them. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. For you, of course, if you want, you can put credits. But don't worry, that's fine. Anyway, goodbye.
Wow.